go. Winning is one thing, but out of losing, I always learned more for the future. So I got stronger in losing.
You should know that by being a racing driver, you are under risk all the time. By being a racing driver means you are racing with other people. And if you no longer go for a gap that exists, you're no longer a racing driver. Because we are competing. We are competing to win. And the main motivation to all of us is to compete for a victory.
Records are there to be beaten, and I'm quite relaxed that one day it will happen.